Hi everyone, I'm Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct. Today I'm showing you the Merit Yoga S542. This scooter, you can purchase an additional accessory. It's the suitcase. On the inside, of course, is the scooter. So we're going to go ahead and show you that. First thing you want to do is make sure that the suitcase is laying flat. There's an arrow that points in the up direction, which is located right there. So the scooter's inside here. Again, it only weighs 57 pounds. Very neat scooter. So as you see, I took it out of the suitcase. It was not a problem for me. It does weigh 57 pounds, so it may not be as easy for everybody. But it's a very compact unit, and it fits in just about any vehicle, including Volkswagen Beetle. I'm going to go ahead and get the suitcase out of the way here. As you can see, again, the scooter is folded up. It's very simple to unfold. There's a red lever down at the bottom here where I'm pointing to. This is the locking mechanism of the Yoga scooter. When you press down, what's going to happen is that this catch is going to get over that little bolt head, or button head, if you will, yes. So when you close it, you want to make sure that this latch gets over that button head. Ready? So now that we've depressed the lever, we can go ahead and begin to unfold the scooter. So what you're going to do is grab the tiller, and you can slide that forward and hold onto the back side of the seat. And then you can lift the back side of the seat and push down on the front side, and that's going to make the chair come up. And just push down on the front of the seat, make sure it's locked, as you heard. Now we can go ahead and undo our securement strap, which holds the seat back folded. On the front of the scooter, we have a couple of adjustments. The first thing we're going to want to do is loosen up our tension lever, which is located just underneath the column of the scooter. On the tiller, there's a red lever that you can pull towards the seat. This is going to allow you to adjust the tiller at whatever angle you desire. This scooter comes with a 11.5 amp hour lithium battery. It's very simple to place in the scooter. You have a positive and negative terminal, and the label always faces up. Slide it in so you hear the click. On the underside of the steering column on the tiller, there's a rocker switch right underneath the center towards the front. Go ahead and press it to the right side. That will turn your scooter on. Turning it on. Turning it off. Once we have turned on our scooter, you notice that there are levers on the left and the right side of the tiller. If you squeeze the right side, it will make the scooter go forward. If you squeeze the left side, it will make the scooter go backwards. You have a fully adjustable speed control knob. The max speed on this scooter is 4 miles per hour. You can travel up to 11 miles on a single charge. The battery indicator is located on the dash. This will determine the state of the charge of your scooter. If your scooter is in the green, it has a higher charge. once you get into the yellow, once the needle gets into the yellow, you will consider thinking about charging it. And if your scooter gets into the red, you need to charge your scooter immediately. The charging port is conveniently located at the back of the scooter. You will see that there is a plastic cover here. You're going to want to swing this to the right, which will expose your connector. This is an XLR charger that comes with the scooter. You simply plug this in until the charging indicator says it's full, then make sure you unplug it and close the cover. The Yoga scooter will come with optional armrests that you can install on the scooter. They're very simple to put in. All you do is slide them into the receiver on the back side of the chair. And on the bottom, there's a screw that you have to tighten using the Allen key that comes with your scooter. That will secure the armrest to make sure that they don't fall out of place. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to remove these armrests. So we're going to talk about the foldability of the scooter. It's very, very, very simple. Obviously, you want to make sure that your scooter is off. What I like to do is fold down the seat and go ahead and connect the securement strap to make sure that the seat does not come unfolded so it does not damage the scooter. Now again, we're going to go to the front, to the side of the scooter here. We initially pressed this lever to unlock the scooter when it was in the folded position. Now that it's in the unfolded position or the open position, we can go ahead and pull this knob out and lift the front of the seat. Okay? Once we lift the front of the seat, you're going to feel that it got loose. Just continue lifting the seat up. Push down on the seat and bring the two together. Now what you're going to want to do is press until you hear the click. Once you hear the click, you'll know that the scooter has been locked. At this point, we can go ahead and lower our tiller. And the scooter is ready for transport. So I'm going to go over on how easy it is to fold and unfold this mobility scooter. So as you see right now, it is folded. Again, we're going to go to the lever that is on the bottom of the scooter and we're just going to press down. That's going to unlock the scooter so that we can unfold. What we're going to do is grab the handlebar or the fascia plate and we're going to press forward on there and we're going to lift up the back side of the seat and make sure that you press down all the way on the front side of the seat. That will lock it in place. You will hear a click. At this point, we can release the securement strap to unfold the seat. On the front side, we have our tension rings to adjust the height of the tiller. Open those up, slide it up to your desired height. Again, we have our adjustment for the tiller by pulling back on this lever, and we can adjust our level to whatever desired angle you would like. To take the battery out, there is a plastic tab as indicated in your user manual. You're going to want to slide that towards the center of the scooter and lift the battery pack up and out of position. Place the battery pack back in. You have your positive and negative terminals, your tab on the top. Labels always face up. Slide the battery in place, press down. We're going to go ahead and fold the scooter. We're going to fold the seat down, close the securement strap. We're going to open the tiller tension rings for the desired height. We're going to lower the tiller. We're going to secure those. Next, we have our red knob just below our seat. We're going to pull that knob out and we are going to lift up on the front end of the seat just by grabbing the very front. As you can see, the seat is now unlocked. We're going to continue to bring this back. As you can see, the front end of the scooter is starting to come forward. And what we're going to do is we're just going to squeeze forward, squeeze these two together until you hear the click, ensuring that this lever has locked on this nut. And it's locked. So now that we have the scooter up, we can also keep the tiller up. If you want to slide the scooter around, you can tilt the scooter on its back side. It has wheels that allow you to do so. So it's very easy to transport. If you want to move it around in the parking lot or move it around the home, however you want to do it. Pull it out of the closet. It's a very versatile machine. And again, one more time, I'm going to show you how quickly it is to fold and unfold this machine. Lever, open, done. Again, secure this, pull your lever, lift your seat, bring it together. Just make sure when you're doing this that you don't catch your hand to the pinch points, which is, again, identified in your user manual. Always read your user manual when you get your machine to understand the safety of any product that you ever get from Mobility Scooters Direct. So my overall opinion on the scooter is it's great. My name is Untitled. I'm the president of Mobility Scooters Direct. If you ever have any questions about this product, please give us a call or visit our website and chat with one of our very knowledgeable technicians. Thank you very much and have a great day.